second waterfall today. This is a good one.
Yeah, let's go see it.
After a full day of seeing things, we are now in our hotel room for the night. This for $275. Baby sis, you don't like Kai. Yes. Oh. Another day in Iceland and another waterfall. This time we're going to climb to the top. Hopefully we're alive by the time we get up there. Here we go. Going back down, it was worth the climb. Look at these mossy fields. This is so unique. Here comes Adventure Mommy taking pictures in the rain. I took pictures in some of the rooms, and now I get to go in the kitchen and get some pictures and video of the cooks making food. The kids wouldn't fall asleep, and so we are going to see another waterfall. This one is right next to our hotel. Wow, look at this waterfall, baby Jocelyn. We found another one. You said you got it. That was a fun one. They're all different. Was that a long hike, baby sis? Wore you out? Alright, we are at our second hotel where we get to stay for free in exchange for doing some pictures and videos, so we're gonna get to work. A couple hours ago we were sweating on our hike, and now we are at a black sand beach and looking at icebergs. Look at all these ice pieces up here on the beach. Just left our hotel this morning. We need to get back to the airport by tonight because we have a flight tomorrow morning. But we have some road closures ahead because of flooding, so we don't know how we're gonna make it through. We had a sheep crossing here. That was close. The road closure is not looking good, so we are going to make the undesirable trip around the whole island and see if we can get to our flight to France. I've never seen so many swans in one place. We're taking a break from our 12-hour trip to go see one last waterfall because this one is a good one. The weather is different on the other side of this tunnel. This is what packing in the hotel looks like when the kids are already sleeping and we need to get everything weighed and back in our vehicle.